Hubbers! Today we'll talk about how to rent a car without a credit card. The good news is that you can use a debit card, a prepaid card, or even cash to rent a car. But each rental company has its own rules about acceptable payment options, which usually vary by location. Before getting into how you can rent a car without a credit card, let me clarify one quick thing first. Using a credit card to rent a car is ideal because there are better fraud protections, the credit card company's money gets put on hold instead of your own, and it's just a lot more convenient. The problem is, a lot of people assume they can't qualify for a credit card. So it's worth pointing out that there are secured credit cards that don't check your credit history when you apply. Getting one of those cards is one way to solve this problem. You can click the button right here to learn more. If you decide that a credit card just isn't right for you right now, there are a few things you should know about other payment methods that might work. The first is that you could expect to place a security deposit. The rental company needs some kind of protection against people damaging their cars and not paying for repairs. That doesn't change based on how you pay. The difference is that it will probably be more of an inconvenience with a debit card or cash than with a credit card. That's because a hold on your debit card or prepaid card is placed on your actual money, not just a portion of your credit line that you may never use. Second, many car rental companies make it a policy to check the credit history of customers who do not pay by credit card. That way, they can evaluate the trustworthiness of these customers. So again, just be prepared to fork over some more personal information for that credit check. Third, know that paying with a debit card or another credit card alternative can limit your car choices. Pricey vehicles are likely to be off limits because rental companies are already assuming more risk than usual by renting to a customer without a credit card. And finally, accepted payment methods vary by rental car company and location. But Hertz and Avis are a couple of good companies to look into if you don't want to use a credit card. So now that you know the basics of renting a car without a credit card, you can learn even more and see the policies of some major car rental companies by clicking on this button right here. Good luck, Wallet Hubbers!